You want to hear something that irks me? You want to hear something that hits me so deep? I'm sick of humans thinking that they're the top of everything. Some think that they can play God to a poor defenseless animal. The poor animal who only knows how to love, but is beaten and left to die by their family. They wonder what they did wrong. Certain people who pride themselves on how big their dog is or how low their balls hang. But how can someone send their companion into a fight and hope to win just to get the money or drugs on the table? How can someone be so heartless to put chains as a collar and leave them as long enough to cut or grow into the skin? Why do people who move or have no money for pets just leave them to starve? Why do people think it's okay to breed constantly or play matching mixed games to dogs that end up in the shelters alone? This is not okay, and for all the animals hurt out there, I give them my future and my time to help fix the hurt. 'Cause even though it may not seem like humans, animals bleed.